Welcome back. Now, by using the free version of Cloudberry Server, you can share your files with other people. So for example, what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of this directory and we're going to go one level up. And we're going to share the folder videos. And so what we're going to do is we're going to right-click this videos folder. What we're going to do then is we're going to go to the properties. Once we do that, we're going to click the Security tab. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click the Add button. When we do that, we're then going to write in the email address of the individual that we want to add to have permissions for our files. We're then going to click OK. We're then going to check off the permissions that we want this individual to have. We're then going to click Apply. Now, one of the things that we'll want to do is we'll want to make sure that we click Apply to all subfolders and files. That means that if we go and we add folders, it's actually going to give that person access to those folders. We're going to click Apply to all subfolders and files. We're then going to click Apply. Now, it's important to note that the individual that we add will need to have an account with Amazon S3 using the email address that we add to our sharing feature. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.